Welcome to your one-stop guide to Autopilot passive income. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that money has been rolling into your bank account while you slept. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive deep into the world of passive income, explore various strategies, and help you determine which ones could work for you. Along the way, I'll be asking questions, so be sure to leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments section. Understanding passive income. To start, let's clarify what passive income is and isn't. Passive income refers to earnings derived from a source that requires little or no daily effort to maintain. It's not about getting rich quickly, but building wealth steadily over time. Some examples of passive income sources include rental properties, dividend stocks, index funds, royalties from books, music, or other intellectual property, online businesses, and affiliate marketing. What passive income streams are you interested in? Leave a comment with your ideas or experiences. The power of compounding. One of the core concepts behind passive income is the power of compounding. Compounding is when your investments generate earnings, and those earnings are reinvested to generate even more earnings. This creates a snowball effect, allowing your wealth to grow exponentially over time. Let's consider a simple example. If you invest $1,000 at a 7% annual return, you'll have $1,007 at the end of the year. If you keep reinvesting, by year 2, your investment will be worth $1,144.90. Compounding over time can turn a small investment into substantial wealth. What's the best investment you've made, and did compounding play a role in its success? Share your story below. Setting up Autopilot passive income streams. Now that we understand the concept of passive income and compounding, let's dive into some of the most popular Autopilot passive income streams: dividend stocks and index funds. Investing in dividend-paying stocks or index funds is a common passive income strategy. These investments distribute a portion of profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. By reinvesting dividends, you can accelerate your wealth growth. To get started, consider opening an investment account with a reputable brokerage. Research dividend-paying stocks or index funds and start investing regularly. Automation is key. Set up recurring investments to ensure consistency. Do you invest in stocks or index funds? What are your top recommendations? Share them in the comments. Rental properties. Owning rental properties can be a lucrative passive income stream, especially if you automate property management. Consider hiring a property management company to handle tenant relations, maintenance, and rent collection. This way, you can enjoy rental income without the daily headaches. However, rental properties require a substantial upfront investment and ongoing expenses. It's crucial to do your due diligence and choose properties with a strong rental market. If you're a rental property owner, what's your best advice for newcomers? What pitfalls should they avoid? Let's discuss in the comments. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, you can generate passive income through affiliate links. To succeed in affiliate marketing, focus on creating valuable content that attracts and retains an audience. Choose affiliate products or services that align with your niche and provide genuine value to your followers. Have you tried affiliate marketing? What's your experience been like? Any tips for someone starting out? Share your insights below. Creating Autopilot passive income systems. The key to achieving true Autopilot passive income is automation. The more you can automate processes, the less you'll need to intervene in day-to-day operations. Here are some ways to automate your passive income streams. Automated investment platforms. Many investment platforms offer automated features like robo-advisors, which use algorithms to manage your portfolio. By setting up automated, recurring investments and allowing the platform to rebalance your portfolio, You can minimize manual effort. Property management companies. For rental properties, hiring a property management company can make a significant difference. They'll handle everything from tenant screening to property maintenance, allowing you to focus on other income streams. Scheduled content. If you're in affiliate marketing or content creation, consider scheduling content in advance. Many platforms allow you to schedule blog posts, videos, and social media updates. This automation keeps your content flowing even when you're not actively working. Do you use automation to streamline your passive income streams? What's your favorite tool or platform? Let us know in the comments. Diversification and risk management. Diversification is a critical component of any successful passive income strategy. By spreading your investments across different assets and income streams, you reduce risk and increase the likelihood of steady returns. Consider diversifying across stocks and bonds, real estate properties, digital assets, e.g., ebooks, online courses, businesses with affiliate marketing or advertising revenue. What strategies do you use to diversify your passive income portfolio? How do you manage risk? Share your approach below. Building a passive income mindset. Creating Autopilot, passive income, requires a shift in mindset. It's about thinking long-term, being patient, and embracing automation. Here are some key mindset elements to cultivate. Patience. Building passive income takes time. Be patient and stay committed to your goals. Consistency. Regular contributions to your investments or content creation lead to steady growth. Learning. Stay curious and continuously educate yourself about new passive income opportunities. What mindset shifts have you made to build passive income? What's been the most challenging part? Let's discuss in the comments. Taking the next steps. By now, you should have a solid understanding of Autopilot passive income and the various strategies you can pursue. Remember, building passive income is a journey, one that requires consistent effort, learning, and adaptation. Start by identifying the passive income streams that resonate with you and create a plan to automate and diversify your efforts. If you're ready to take action, leave a comment with your next step in building Autopilot passive income. Whether it's setting up a new investment account, exploring rental properties, or launching an affiliate marketing campaign, I'd love to hear about your plans and support you on your journey. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Autopilot passive income. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy earning.